Good morning students. Very warm welcome all of you. Today we are going to start the revision in English. Dear student, I have told you in the video of syllabus discussion that you will get take the correct, true, false and fill up in your question paper. Dear student, in this video we will discuss about the take the correct, true, false and fill up which I have taken from your both of books, means from textbook and grammar also. Dear student, first question, take the correct answer. Bartoli was A or N, writer, poet, patron or trader? Dear student, this sentence has been taken from the chapter The Master Artist. We have discussed that what Bartoli was a what? Find answer, writer, poet, patron or trader? Dear student, we have find that Bartoli was a patron. Second, everybody has one. Who answered? Nanny answered, writer answered, matron or the doctor? This sentence belongs to chapter number 3rd, homesickness. Everybody has one. Everybody has one. Answered by, discuss first, Nanny. So the right answer is A. Third, they went to market. Underline word is, what is they in this sentence? Predicate, subject, clause or phrase? Dear student, we have discussed that in this chapter, subject and predicate. The word which shows X means the word which tells about who has done any action in the sentence. So there is a predicate, subject, clause or phrase. Dear student, first tell me answer. So right answer is B, subject. They in this sentence is a subject. Third, the word ability is example of common noun, collective noun, abstract noun or material noun. Think fast and estimate your answer. What is the ability? Is common noun which shows the generally name of any person, place, thing, animal, just like he, she, they, city, village, cow, etc. Collective noun, group of word, class, bunch, herd, flock, etc. No, ability doesn't belong to these two. Third is abstract noun. Fourth is material noun. Material noun shows metal. Abstract noun, the noun which we can't see or touch, is only feel, the ability. So the ability is abstract noun. Example of abstract noun. So dear, think first about the last. Take the correct. This cows gives us milk. Cows is a plural noun. So A or N won't be used because we have discussed that A or N is used with singular noun. And cross before cows, we won't use cross. So we have last option, the. The cows gives us milk because the cow shows the particular race, means all cows in the world give milk. Okay dear, thus we have discussed about the take the correct. Now true false. True false about, first, the writer went to spend a few days in Picardy. This sentence belongs to chapter 1st, uncomfortable bad, right? This is right, that the writer went to spend a few days in Picardy. Now second sentence, Sinyalabe took 1 month to complete the portrait. Dear student, think fast and tell, is this sentence true or false? Sinyalabe, chapter number 2, The Master Artist. Sinyalabe took 1 month to complete the portrait. Yeah, right answer is false because he took nearly 6 months to complete the portrait. Third, Bartoli wasn't eager to watch the portrait. Bartoli wasn't eager to watch the portrait. Third sentence from the same chapter, Bartoli wasn't eager to watch portrait. Right answer is false because Bartoli was so eager to watch the portrait as possible as early. Fourth, I don't go to school. Example of assertive sentence. Is this true statement or not? I don't go to school is an example of assertive. Dear, discuss that. In assertive sentence, we have known that the sentence which starts with subject and finishes with full stop and it has positive and negative both meaning is known as assertive. So sentence is starting with subject, finishing with full stop, positive or negative, means this is True sentence. Fifth, these books are mine. Example of mine, dear student. Mine, yours, theirs are example of possessive pronoun. Is this correct? Yes. This is true sentence. Thus we have discussed about the true or false. Now dear, fill in the blanks. You are getting 5 options to fill in the blanks. First, a group of words which conveys complete meaning is called. Dear student, this is a definition of what? Definition. The called childhood, magic, sentence or doctor. I hope you have discussed. Yes, final answer is sentence. What? Sentence. A group of words which conveys complete meaning is called sentence. So first fill up will be filled with the word sentence. She lives in dash USA. In the USA. In childhood USA. In childhood USA, no. Magic wand, doctor, no. So the right answer is she lives in the USA. Okay dear. So in second we will fill the. Third, within 1 hour dash arrived. Within 1 hour dash arrived. Within 1 hour childhood arrived, magic arrived, the doctor arrived. So the right answer is, find fast. The right answer is the doctor arrived. The doctor arrived. Fourth, Antonio Cruz and Felix were dash friend. Antonio Cruz and Felix were magic friend or childhood friend? Childhood friends. What? Childhood friends. So the last is, maps are really magic wands. Thus dear student, we have discussed about true, false, fill up and take the correct. I hope you have understood very well through this, and same kind sentences you will get in your exam from the textbook and grammar. If you feel any doubt about this, you can consult me through WhatsApp, otherwise personally on phone call. Thank you very much.